Hey guys, it's Erica. Right now I'm at the Rose Bowl Flea Market. Last month I came here, but it was a little bit empty, so I didn't really film. But this time I'm hoping there's gonna be some plants to show you guys. It's really cold outside, so I hope it gets a little warmer soon. Fun fact. Okay, bye. Everyone's still setting up right now, so I'm gonna come back a little bit later. Okay, so I was peeking out a little bit of the stuff being set up, and I think I saw some variegated string of hearts, but I don't know if I actually did. But I definitely saw a bunch of watermelon peps, so I can't wait to go back there and see what's going on. Ooh, there's some plants over here. I think they're ready. Okay guys, this shop looks fully set up. So we're just gonna go around with what's going on here. So they've got some single leaf Hoya carryi, variegated, non-variegated. There's some with more than just one leaf, so that's good. I would recommend buying these over these. They have some they're called elephant plants. And then a bunch of string of hearts I see around. Here's a little rose tail. Lipstick plant. I don't actually know how much all this costs. Here's some Hoyas, carnosas. Pothos. Baby cacti. I think this is a little...
Any questions, let me know, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you think this is a Christmas cactus?
Yeah.
Okay, it is a Christmas cactus.
Christmas or spring cactus?
Christmas or spring. Okay. Pileas. I'm gonna get my cart. Oh, did I say there's a string of pearls here? Little monsteras. A beautiful Scindapsus pictus. Crimson Queen. Hoya. Ooh, a lot of... what? Oh, wait. I'm not sure what this cactus is actually. It's really pretty. It looks like a popsicle or like a lollipop or something. That's really cool. Hoya carnosa, the crinkle ones, Hindi rope. Here's an African mask, some bigger monsteras, and these are the kokodama balls. This is where I got the idea to make one. I really like all these cacti. I want more cacti, but I don't have any space. Okay. What is your store name?
N20.
N20? Ooh, a bunch of air plants. Let's see. I need one of these again. It's a little donut. This one is 30. Let's see on this one.
Whatever is the price there, so I can give you less from you.
Oh. What does this one say? 39. Oh, $39.95 for the big donuts. I need one. I killed mine. Oh, there's some monkey cups there. I just bought one of those. Philodendrons. Pretty sure those are Brazils. And this Hoya. Don't know what this one is. Maybe just a regular carnosa. Some snake plants. Fiddly figs. How much would the big Xerographica be? It says that it's...
So that one, this one right here.
Oh, this one. The donut.
Okay, so this one. Oh, so that one I can give you for 25.
25? Alright guys, we're at Cactus and Succulent Central.
Bella and Terry. I'll be in the band, Bella.
There's so many cute ones. And I really want one. But I don't know which ones to get. Look how cute these are. Are you kidding me? These are only $3. I feel like that's so good. They're all so pretty and they look so healthy. I don't really know anything about cacti, but they don't look this happy at Home Depot. Oh, look at those. Oh my gosh, I love these. They look like little brains. Succulents. Oh, little baby string of pearls. These are so cute. Oh, these are only $1? Wow. These are really good prices, I'm pretty sure. Look. We have flowers. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. I want to have like a whole greenhouse garden, a whole cactus garden. Okay, we're moving on from the cacti. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I just found the little babies. Oh, they're $2 each. I'm gonna get one of these. I have to. They're just so cute. Okay, I don't really know how to choose these out, like for health and stuff. So I'm just gonna get the prettiest one. Oh, they're all so freaking cute. How am I supposed to choose? Okay, I think I'm gonna get this one. Oh, or this one. Oh, dang it. Okay, I'm gonna choose really quick. Okay, you guys, this is the one I got. It is so freaking cute. I'm so excited. It was only $2, and luckily I asked the lady about like caring for this plant. I asked her if it grows fast, and she was like, no. But she said that they don't like really bright sunlight, which I didn't know. I think I would have accidentally killed it. These are so freaking adorable, and I'm so happy that I bought them. They were only $2. Wow. And she said to only water once a month. That is way less than I thought. So these are going to be really easy babies to keep. Okay, so this is the spot where I think I saw the variegated string of hearts. Definitely there were watermelon peps, so we're gonna see what they got. Lots of cute cacti and succulents too. Oh, look at these, they're so tiny. Oh, here they are. It's real. You guys, look at this. Okay, we're gonna find out how much this stuff costs. So let's see. Definitely gonna get one of these. We need a healthy babe. Wow, look at these. Completely white. How much are these?
They're 15.
How much are the watermelons?
12.
12. Wow. Okay, yeah. We're gonna get 2 of these. Check out the haul, guys. I got 2 of them for 30. I'm so excited. They're so beautiful. Look at the little colors go together so well. Oh, I love them. I feel like there are more plant vendors than usual. And there's like some random shops that have plants in them, but they're not really like a plant vending shop. Cacti. Ooh, hi. Okay, Hindu rope for 25. String of hearts 25. So cute. I really want more cacti. Only $8. Is that really what it's called? Oh, it says smell me. I'm too shy to be the weirdo smelling plants though. Okay, we're gonna walk away. Oh, they have a monkey cup. Okay, we're walking away from this. Thank you. Okay guys, so I didn't really, I guess show all the shops. There were kind of a lot of shops, but I already did a Rose Bowl video, so if you want to see like a really in-depth tour of this place, you can check that out. I'll link it down below, throw it up in the cards. But right now, I'm going to show you the plants that I got, and I'm so happy with them. So here, okay. Also, when I was walking, I dropped them, so they're a little bit disheveled, and I'm really sad that I dropped them, but they'll recover. So here is one of my string of hearts, variegated, and this one was $15. I'm super happy with it. And let's see, I have my other one too. This one was also $15. Some leaves are falling off. They're so beautiful. There was one there with like all white leaves. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys, and that one was so pretty, but those leaves aren't gonna survive, so couldn't buy it. And then here's my lithops. It's so cute. They look like little brains. This one was only $2, and I didn't need to pay tax for any of these plants actually. So I'm super happy with the plants I got today. I was about to not even come, so I'm pretty glad that I did. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.